In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a smart form using Tally. So, the process is simple, fun, and a great way to collect data efficiently. Whether you need to gather feedback, conduct a quiz, or even accept applications, I'll guide you through each step to create a dynamic and personalized smart form. Let's get started. First things first, open up your Chrome browser and navigate to the TallySo website. Once you're there, you'll be prompted to sign up. Don't worry, it's completely free. Signing up will grant you access to the variety of features that TallySo offers for crafting your customized forms. Once you're logged in, it's time to create a new form. Look for the plus new form option and give it a click. Now comes the creative part. Give your form a title that aligns with your purpose. This could be something like feedback form, a quiz, or application form. A catchy and appropriate title sets the tone for your users, so choose wisely according to the task at hand. Next, we'll delve into building the meat of your form by adding smart fields. These fields are what make your form interactive and engaging. You can start by inserting blocks such as multiple choice questions, which can offer conditional answers depending on your user's selection, short or long text responses for open feedback, file uploads to collect any necessary documents or images, and date and time fields for scheduling or appointment purposes. These interactive elements not only enhance the user experience but also provide you with versatile data collection options. Now let's make your form truly smart. Tally.so allows you to add logic rules to your smart form, creating a dynamic interaction with your audience. Head over to the Logic section and click on Add Rules. For example, if a user selects yes in response to a question, you can set the form to show additional follow-up questions. Conversely, selecting no can skip the user to a different section of the form. This layer of personalization makes your form more engaging and relevant, improving the overall experience for your respondents. In addition to functionality, it's important to give attention to the design. Customize your form by adding headers, images, and page breaks to guide your audience smoothly through the form. Feel free to infuse your brand's identity by incorporating your logo and colors, all completely free of charge on Tally.so. Before going live, click on the preview button at the top right. This lets you test the form's behavior and ensures everything is functioning as it should. Once satisfied with the setup, it's time to publish your form. Hit the publish button to finalize it. You'll receive a link to your smart form, ready to be shared via email, your website, or even social media. Finally, after sharing your form, you can start collecting and viewing the responses. Tally.so organizes all of your data neatly, making it easy to analyze the information you've gathered. And there you have it, a polished, efficient smart form tailored to your needs. Happy form building!